Heartandtechy continuity equation in echocardiography. The continuity equation is the Gorlin formula of echocardiography. It is used to calculate the area of a stenotic regurgitant valve. It uses the concept of conservation of flow, namely what comes in must go out. The flow rate is the product of the area and velocity or TVI of flow. A stenotic regurgitant orifice area can be calculated from measurements of flow and flow velocity. Flow across a stenotic or regurgitant orifice is the same as a proximal flow across a known area and velocity, hence A1V1 is equal to A2V2. A1 is the known area at a location proximal to the unknown area. 2. TVI or VTI is measured from with pulsed wave or continuous wave Doppler echocardiography. For example, calculation of aortic valve area LVOT diameter is measured from peristernal long axis and LVOT is traced from apical 5-chamber view using pulse or continuous wave, and aortic VTI is traced from the apical 5-chamber view. The machine will finally calculate the three of these and give the valve area. Mitral valve R also can be calculated using this same method. Hope you enjoyed our video. Stay tuned with Heartandtechy. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.